from Nice Buns again, and today I'm going to teach you how to make bread pudding from a bread pudding recipe that I use in Nice Buns. First of all, you need to break up 500 grams of bread. Any bread, save your crusts into your freezer, or if you're having like a pack of hot dog rolls, you don't use all of them, pop them in the freezer, make it up to 500 grams, and whatever bread you want to use, you can put it into your bread pudding mix. Now you just rip them up very small, like so, until you've ripped it all up into tiny pieces. There we are. That's all of the bread broken up into little pieces, like this. The next step is to add mixed dried fruit. The mixed dried fruit that I use does already have mixed peel in it as well, but a mixed peel in the bread pudding is lovely. If you don't like mixed peel, then don't put it in. But we all like mixed peel, so we put some in. So to here we add 500 grams of mixed dried fruit, and it goes. And to that we add 85 grams of the aforementioned mixed peel, 1.5 tablespoons of mixed spice, lovely mixed spice which makes bread pudding in my opinion. 600 millilitres of milk. Goes all the way over. That needs to soak into your bread. And 2 eggs beaten. That pours in there as well. It's literally put it all in here and give it a good mix up. This is 140 grams of light brown sugar and the zest of 1 lemon, melted butter, 100 grams of melted butter goes in there. So then you carefully pop it onto your mixer. Sinking down, put it on low to start with so that it can mix a little bit, and once it's mixed up you can then whip it a bit higher like this. Very noisy. You're aiming to squish. You could do it with your hands if you want to, but the machine, it breaks it down. A little while. Halfway through the mixing process, you can take your mixture and give it a little scrape down to make sure all the bits have gone down from the sides of the bowl. Like this. And then scrape it so it all comes up and it's all nice and look how lovely and squidgy that is. So once, oh, that's actually very good. Give it another quick whiz up with your mixer if you've got one. If not, with your wooden spoon if you want to do it by hand. You get your tin. Your mixture into the tin. Like this. Don't leave anything behind in the bowl. Get it all in your baking tray. Like this. You can then Just sort of squidge it around a bit so it fills up the whole of the baking tin. Then sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of demerara sugar over the top. If you want to leave this overnight, you can, and it will make the mixture moister. If not, you can just bake it straight away, and it needs to go into an oven 160 degrees centigrade, fan assisted oven, or 180 normal oven, and it bakes for about an hour and a half, but until it goes all nice and crispy on the top, and when you pat it, it doesn't wiggle, it stays nice and solid. So I shall pop that in the oven now. I set the oven for an hour and a half, and it should be ready. So it was about 1¼ hours in the oven till it's all quite nice and crispy on the top and nice and squidgy in the middle. Best served with a nice cup of tea. Cheers everyone, stay safe. I'll do another tutorial again soon. Meanwhile, get me lugs around this. Cheers.